Hi, I'm Justin, and for my project for Uber, I made a Chrome extension that does text analysis. So the first thing it does is that it calculates the number of words and the number of characters in the document. And then so after that, it calculates the readability score. So green would indicate that it's pretty readable and it's actually on the good side. And then um, if it's less than 50, then it'll be orange, and if it's less than 30, then that'll be really it means or that would mean that it's really difficult to read. So the school level for this would be 8th to ninth grade, and this is a little description here. So it says that it's easy to understand and it's plain English. And then we also have the Flesch Kincaid grade, which is basically another way to represent the school level. And so we're one long sentence here because the second sentence here is more than 23 words, which will make it a long sentence. Yeah, so if I remove it, then we have long sentence is 0 now. So what this does here is it shows um, it shows the specifics of sentences that either have a low readability score or sentences that are too long, such as this one here, the second sentence. And so the first sentence, it shows that the readability score is really low. And for this second sentence here, it shows that the sentence is too long, which is 32 words. And so it recommends to use smaller words or shorter sentences. So the way you could do that is you could go to word suggestions, and from here we have three choices. So blue, which matches with this blue here. You can find word suggestions. So let's say I change this to beast here, and creature changed to beast. And so misspelled words, which would match with orange. So this seems to be finding, but then it's spelled wrong. And so it tells you to check your spelling for this word. And then capitalizing needed, so none of your words, or none of the words in here have any capitalizing issues, but if I were to type something, and it'll highlight the first one because even should be capitalized since it's the first word of the sentence. So it says the first letter of even at sentence 4 should be capitalized because it is the first word of the sentence, and we can capitalize it. Yeah, and then I could copy some text here, paste it on. Yeah, and so it highlights some more words here because it's highlighting these words because it seems like these sentences have low readability scores. And so it will highlight these words so you can try to find synonyms or basically smaller words to make these sentences more readable. So if I go to word suggestions, I can see some more synonyms for these words that I can maybe use instead of these words to make the readability score better. And yeah, that's basically my project. Yeah, and the scores also update depending on like the text you have. Yeah, so every time I delete something or something, the readability score will change. And that's pretty much my project. There's definitely a lot more I can improve on, but I think this shows some of the use cases it could have. And yeah, thanks for watching.